everybody, it's Patricia and welcome back to my channel. This is part 2 of my 10-pound Shop Goodwill jewelry haul. I went ahead and detangled some pieces because this is the most tangled lot I have ever purchased. Although I am a newbie, this is only my second Goodwill lot, but yeah, I went ahead and detangled some pieces to make things go a little quicker. So first, we have this necklace and it's all plastic. So I am going to, I think I will lot that in a lot. This I am going to repurpose. It's a bit worn out. That's a craft item. Next, this is a nice silver. It's not real silver. What's it say on it? It has something. Chaps. So is this Ralph Lauren? It says Chaps on it. So I would say this is a Ralph Lauren bracelet. It is small though. I have a small wrist and it fits right on me. So you have to have a smaller wrist to wear this one. But yeah, I can sell that, hopefully. This necklace, it's still tangled, but I will untangle it. I'll sit and fool with it. This has a tag on it. Isn't that pretty? It says 2028 jewelry. I've heard of 1928. And it's the same style, so I need to check this out. Originally sold for $22 and close out for $5. But I think I can get more than $5 for that. That's gorgeous. I just need to untangle it and work on it some more. Here's some earrings. These are glass beads. I need to clean that up a little bit, but that rubs right off. Sorry, my hands are shaking. Let's see. That is very pretty. I can sell those. This is a knockoff Alex and Ani. This is not a real Alex and Ani. This one is Footnotes. Friends Forever, and this looks like it is absolutely brand new. So it's got mother of pearl. I think I can sell that. This is a nice necklace. It's substantial. It's got a tag. Napier. This is Napier. Very pretty. Next, this has a tag on it. These are strung beads. They're knotted in between. Robert Ross. I don't know Robert Ross. I don't know him personally, and I don't know his brand. These were at a closeout for $4.99. I don't know how much they were originally, but they're plastic beads. I need to research that before I decide what I do with that. These are heavy, and they have a maker's mark. Coldwater Creek. And what's going on here? Oh, they're hooked. They're hooked together already. Oh, these are pretty. These are really nice. I can sell these. They're very, very weighty. This, on the other hand, is not. And that's going into a craft lot. Not mine. I don't even want this piece. I'm gonna put it in another craft lot. Look at these beads. Ooh. There's like there's 3 strands. These are pretty. Do we have a maker's mark? No. They are plastic though. I will tell you. They are plastic, but I think I might be able to sell those. They are so pretty. Yeah, I'm gonna try anyway. Then we have this heavy metal. I love unusual things like this. Let me see, is it marked anywhere? It is not. It needs some polishing. It is not magnetic, but I'd be surprised if it's silver. It may be like stainless steel, or then I could very well be wrong, and it could be an artisan piece. Look at that. You see? Look at that. I should take a really closer look at that one. Really closer. Here is some seed beads on a chain. Has a tag, a C. I'm new at this, so I will look that tag up and see what it is to see if it is sellable. I think it would be sellable. Okay. Here's another necklace. And I think I need to untangle it. Look at that nice closure on the end. That's nice. The actual clasp, it looks silver and everything else looks gold. But I think I can sell that. I'll try anyway. And look at this one. I love, this one has a tag. KR. I'll have to look that up. I like the looks of this one. Yeah. All right. That's everything I had pre-untangled. So let's keep going. Let's see. I've got 2 of these with posts. They are metal, but they're not. They're lightweight metal. Here's a pretty bangle. I go for stuff like this. This is what I like. That is a pretty bangle. I'm going to put that in my pile, my catch and release. Now, if you see anything you guys are interested in, just shoot me an email. My email is findingmytiara@gmail.com. And we can talk about prices. Look at this. Look at this. That is quite the ring, is it not? I'll tell you the size of it in case you're interested. It's a 6.5. I think that's plastic. Yeah, that is definitely plastic, and the metal is not silver. I don't think it's silver. Huh. It's not magnetized. Let's polish a little. I don't know. Well, I'll test it just for fun since I've got my testing kit now. Look at this sweet turtle bracelet. It's got a couple of beads. I don't see any marks on it. Yeah. Somebody might like it though. Somebody might like it. This is plastic necklace. Pull it where you guys can see it. The chain is awful. The chain, I hate touching it. It makes my dirty hands. But I will reuse that in crafting. Put that in my craft lot. That, I think, come off of one of the necklaces. Okay, I'm going to pause and untangle some things. I'll be right back. Okay, I got some more pieces. Detangled. Man, was there ever a tangled mess. This little necklace was in part of that major detangling, and I saw that it was missing a piece, but I found it. It's just that little thing just came off. So that is sweet. And I am going to try to sell that. I need to make sure I fix it. This is pretty. Look at the crystal on that. Let me bring it up closer so you guys can see. That is just absolutely gorgeous. No maker's mark. I'm doubting that it's silver. I don't know though. That back chain is, this chain is not silver. I'm pretty sure it's not silver. But man, that is pretty. I'm gonna lay it over here. Yes, I'm thinking about it. Here's a sweet little pink cross. This is the most tangled up box, I swear. It's still tangled. It's just a little, probably homemade, sweet little cross. Beautiful crystals. Let's see if it could be silver. I will test that. Put that in my test pile. Could very well be silver. This this was this is something. Is it not? It's something. It's by, the tag says SM, but I am not going to try to sell that. I will craft with that. This is an illusion wire with metal beads. I have to detangle it some more. It looks pretty good. I think I might try to sell that or lot it. Then there's these earrings. Yeah, these are not anything. I will craft with those. This is another piece of that broken necklace I will craft with. I don't think that's supposed to, yeah, that green wipes off. We'll craft with that. I found the other one of these, so there was an ear wire that was loose running around, but I think I'll just end up crafting these anyway. Craft those. There's these, I guess these are clip-on earrings. I don't know how comfortable they would be. They're clip-ons. Do they have a maker's mark? They do. Let me look in here real good. I think I can read it without this, but it's Napier. These are Napier, so they should sell. These are plastic nothing, and one of them is broken. I'm gonna throw it back there. These are pretty. These have like these, I don't know if those are real, I don't know if these are real tiger's eye or just cat's eye. They're really pretty earrings. Okay, the posts are not silver. I would say they are not. So I'm going to put them with my earrings. Well, I'll sell them. Put them over here, these earrings. Look at this. These are glass beads. Can you see that? Yeah. I think these are really pretty. I don't see any mark on them, but I think I might be able to sell these, so I'm going to try anyway. This is plastic. Plastic. I'm going to put that in a lot. Alright, let's dig back in the bag and get some more things out. Here's a pair of earrings that, oh. Well, those, I don't know, they might be kind of cute. They're kind of cute. I'll do something with those. Here's pearls. These are not real pearls. I'm going to craft with that. And I think I'm going to do one more and then we will stop for today. And I've got this. Oh, it makes this. Coldwater Creek. Yeah, I think I can sell that. That's pretty. Okay. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. Any questions or comments, leave them down below. And if you see anything you want, just shoot me an email and we will discuss it. So guys, thanks for watching. I will be back with part 3 next week. So again, thanks for watching. See you next time.